Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today we have another post-burial video. Because in everything you see the culture now. If you don't pay attention and realize that every time something go down in the Iron Man, whether in a sports, weather, crime, it no matter. When you can see that everything tie back to culture and mindset, you know. When will your scholars catch on to the culture, to the mindset? You see, because culture is something we kind of invisible, meaning, you know, you can see the culture at work, but culture itself, right, don't really turn up on no statistic, right? That's something you have to observe, something you have to monitor, something you have to look on the outcomes. Now we talk about the fact say entertainment and excitement is what the people live for, even when it's at their own detriment, you know. Migla hurricane, people are whining and a skin out head top, man a play ball gone, man. In a goal, yeah, man, run back a ball and lose him life. If some of these things, if there weren't multiple people on the ground and say it go so, it would have hard to believe what it really. From going to that my Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to Mrs. Kira Lynch, coming from our hubby Akeem, even from the little princess Naila too. Kira's birthday was the 5th, but nevertheless Kira, as long as you have life, that is enough to give thanks for. So hopefully you enjoy the day as best as you could. We know it's Akeem take care of you. We know it's the family take care of you. Akeem, big up yourself, big up your family. Wish nothing but health and long life, man. Wealth good too, you know. Wealth is good. Wealth make you can, you know, buy nice things and enjoy your hobbies. Nothing wrong with wealth, but me telling all the time, my health really do it. Can't you see how easy life come and go? Akeem, Kira Lynch, big up on yourself and big up the little princess Naila too. We can move into the video. Where the people them really worship: hype, excitement, entertainment. No for this, because of the woke activists them, you know. The fake woke, fake righteous people who go around and, you know, go on like say them a defend this and them, we are defend poor people. You're not defending nothing. You see what happened is, back in the old days, you could have checked stupidity at the source. As soon as somebody start going on the sense, you could have checked them on the spot. But then all of a sudden, you say, yeah, fight against this and yeah, try hold on this, so now people just back off. Because if you point out, say, yo, a stupidness that them jump on you. Oh, so you fight against poor people, or you try hold on people, you don't want to see people strive. So now people get shamed, so everybody just back off. And after the backing off go on, you see the end result. To the point of fool in a style. Fool in a style, you know. Cause one time, grandpa them I grab all man by the ears and I ask him if I eat that, you know. But you can't do them. I know them go, oh, so you left the this. The people them want to tell us if you left this and left that. Them not take no loss, you know. So it don't really matter to them anyway. Them just like virtue signal. Make it look like they're standing up for the people. When in reality they're encouraging bad behavior. We now see the end result all over Iron Man now. May I ask the question with you, what does it mean to be a Jamaican? Every time I see people say, this is what real Jamaican is, usually involve something to do with badness. It's usually sex, drugs, violence. Some kind of, you know, wild-like behavior. Anytime you see a Billy Joe claims him act like a Jamaican, he's never ever start sound more intelligent. He's never ever start be more calculated. When they start becoming impulsive and loud, you start to things that kick over, you start to head top, you start to skin out, because that is what Iron Man is apparently. Because Jamaicans enjoy being the face of debauchery. Everybody in the world, I have to break this too now. This might be news to Jamaican because it look like only thing say skinning out. Look like only thing say sex and them thing that Jamaicans are. The whole world like sex, you know. Right, the whole world. I'm sorry for breaking it to you. This might be news, but the whole world like sex. But look, you don't want to be the face. You don't want to be the face of skinning out. Everybody else can go about them day and then when them want to do them go home eating time and go do it behind closed doors and go into the house and go in the yard. But that's not enough for Jamaicans. They're in the streets we carry. I see a video with you. We couldn't believe it. 2 people in one party lie down. Straight rubber dubbing. Dancer go on. People stand in front of the people them. Straight rubber dubbing. The selector tell the man this, the politician and put the woman in her. That's Iron Man. If you never have video footage, if you couldn't see them things up on camera, then never believe it's real. Storm will come, hurricane will come. Alright, quick make run go down the road. Head tap, back shot, side shot, skin out. Yo, you see the stuff? Yo, let the people alone. We are trying to go, let the people have fun. Story will come out. So, Migla hurricane man play football. Ball get away from them. Man run the gun. Football. Jumping up. If some of them things in them, you have to see it to believe it. Jumping a goalie for ball. Listen, condolence to that youth family. I'm sure they're hurting. But at the same time, call a spade a spade. That's one of the dumbest things I've heard all 2024. For you throw him life, so. For a Jamaican male, Jamaica is already having problem, right, with Jamaican males, right? The amount of left back in the streets, right? The amount of, right? That jail, the amount of dead, the amount of so pill and molly up that them can't even function. The young Jamaican male is an endangered species. It's bad enough we lose them to crime and all kind of things. Now we lose them because of straight out stupidity. That's one of the stupidest things I've heard in 2024. People that play football. This time I tell you, we carry back to the old school, you know. We carry back to the old school when time the old time man them did on the corner. And the older man them could have checked the younger man them. So because now me realize that blind a lead blind and dummy a lead dummy. So man them on corner I encourage the foolishness. I remember clearly when the eater come up. The old timer them a check you. Where are the boy you idiot? You know see star come go over there so. But now look like these new old timers love the excitement as much as the youngsters, because I remember say young people by nature, right, prone to do, right, wild things. By nature, because when you're young you think you're undefeated. When you're young, you think nothing can stop you. When you're young, you think you're Superman and right, Aquaman. I expect nobody get excited about the Aquaman part there. And you're the type of Aquaman we are talking about. And you're the type of fishman we are talking about. But now it look like all the veteran them nonsense. That young man I heard he had a 2-year-old baby. So how do you explain that story to a child? It's bad enough telling a child when them grow up say your father dead because gunman kill him. It's bad enough tell them say the car lick him down. It's bad enough tell them say him kidney them fail, him lungs them fail. It's bad enough saying Big C kill him. But how do you look on a picnic and tell them say your father that play ball in a hurricane burial and the ball jump go over the and him jump down back at the ball and wash you? How do you tell a picnic that story? This is madness. The obsession with excitement. When you watch the video them, I'm not even play the video them. What are you seeing? Excitement. That is what the people live for. Excitement and entertainment. This is why they have no time to hold no leaders accountable. They will have no time to do no real development on the nation building because people live for excitement. And let me tell you something. It is not just confined to the quote-unquote ghetto. Nobody thinks not for your friend them speak so well much different. But this is a national crisis. Jamaica is full of overgrown children that cannot sit down and keep themselves quiet, cannot sit down and focus, cannot sit down and reason, cannot sit down and think. This one about the point of thinking. Critical thinking is for nerds. That's lame. Let's have fun. Guy, there's nothing more to life than have fun. Just like a child. A child only lives to eat, sleep, right, crapping at the toilet, and have fun. Nothing more. When the time if you go to school, they're like, can't bother. Cause that's less time, unless them here say school I got fun at school in the business. Overgrown children. And for years people were trying to call it out. But to shame them, oh y'all try to fight against people, also y'all try to hold down the people. And then some people say, alright, well true, me no want to be seen as nobody want to fight against somebody, but me just lock my mouth and then see ya. Because when the things of the people them are alone for everything of them love and that's foolishness. The reason why your friends and your family and your parents never make you do everything what you want to do is not because them hate you, it's because them love you and them want you to do well. If your parents make you do anything you want to do, that's not love. If your man have no problem with nothing what you do, if your man say you can't do anything under the sun in the business, that man don't care about you, that man don't love you. So when people are say, yo, brother, when they go eat in the city stomach, all the things awesome. So through your also you fight, you hear the that's not hate, guy. Are the people them want to tell them to say, yeah man, do you want to have your fun, man? I want to see you go like are them people that hate you. Are the woke-activist guy hate you. The virtue signaling wannabe crusade, are them hate you. That's why for years when time inner cities are being riddled with crime. Them walk out and tell them it's a poverty cause it's on the war on themselves. That's why they only turn up when sci-fi dead, they not turn up no other time. They not turn up and make none eyes when time the actual innocent people dead. Them turn up and them will fight the biggest of campaign for the baddest of man. Baby pan breast dead. The gunman kill and they not have nothing to say. But them say police shot sci-fi, them will never make that rest. Cause they're such brave warriors. But they're not brave enough to stand up the clansman though. Not one gunman want kill them, that's all you need to know something wrong. People claim to them a fight for you and fight for people and fight for justice. Not one gang want kill them. You don't find that strange? Not one gang after them head. A nation of overgrown children, them blame everything from poverty. That way, nobody has to be accountable because nobody they invent poverty. You can see it. We're telling a long time to the woke-activist guy, enough of these scholar guys, them hate the people, them, you know. If you read between the lines, what they're saying is poor equals stupid. So when them say, well, they do that because they're poor, what they're saying is, well, because he's poor in our sense. And not Nagoso. Not Nagoso. This is cultural. The eternal war. To win the war for who can be the most exciting. And who can put on the best show. And who can be the biggest class clown. It is a national attitude. Completely take over Jamaica. You can't make this up. If your family have to bury somebody. If your family have to bury somebody for that. It's extraordinary. Overgrown children need to be constantly entertained. That is why they don't care what form the entertainment comes in. It could be the most acidic and detrimental to the community. Form, it no matter as long as it's entertainment. People are say, man, are just vibes. When people are quote unquote having fun, it's all about me. You know, my life, they can do what I want to do. It's all about me. But if something happens to them, then it becomes we. So now we must go fix that problem there. We should have done that. We should have that. We should have this. So when time they do what they want to do, they're individuals. But when time it's time to face the consequences, they become all about the community. Now ask the question again, what does it mean to be Jamaican, guy? Because when the keeper tell me said this is what Jamaica is. Jamaicans are happy to be known as the global class court jesters. Hype, excitement, and entertainment. By any means, even if it means death. This is why me keep telling you, don't tell me about the Jamaican pitney them mad, you know. When you keep on telling me say Jamaican pitney wild and mad, I'ma tell you that Jamaican children are nothing more than the apples dropped inside of the tree. We not try hold pitney to a higher standard than adults. Jamaican adults behave so. So what do you expect pitney if you do? You are cursing our seed when I really shame on the shame, because if I'm looking at the mirror and I see that these children are nothing more than a reflection of Jamaica. But as I said, that is what many only consider to be a real Jamaican. So it look like Peacock if you go take back my passport. They have redefined what a Jamaican is. You know? And all it boils down to is sex, drugs, violence, and excitement. Nothing more. When they go foreign and people ask you about Jamaica, when people say Jamaican, they expect you to be either a gunman, they expect you to be high 24/7s. They expect you to be this class clown that does constantly entertainment, does shock and jive and keep them entertained. Right? Something along them lines. They don't expect you to be a great thinker. They don't expect you to be this great mind. If they actually realize that you're intelligent and you have a brilliant mind, they're confused. Are you sure you're Jamaican? People actually ask you that. You sure you're Jamaican? Because you don't act Jamaican. So now you ask the question, how does somebody act Jamaican? What do they mean by act Jamaican? By being where you seen it in video. But as they said there. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.